Hey there, finance friends. If you're using Mint to keep your budget in check, you know how crucial it is to have your transaction categories spot on. Maybe you've got a bunch of expenses mislabeled, or your spending habits have changed, and it's time for an update. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to update categories in Mint, step by step, so you can get back to managing your money like a pro. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Mint account on the app or website. It's super straightforward. Once you're in, head over to the Transactions tab. This is where all your purchases and payments are listed out. You'll see a bunch of entries, each with its current category, like groceries or dining out. Now, to update a category, simply click on the transaction you want to change. A details window will pop up, showing all the info about that transaction. Look for the Category field. It's usually a drop-down menu. Click on it, and you'll see a list of available categories. Scroll through and select the one that best fits. For example, if you accidentally categorized a coffee run as groceries, switch it to coffee shops for better accuracy. If you've got multiple transactions to update, Mint makes it easy with bulk editing. Just select several transactions at once by checking the boxes next to them, then choose Edit Categories from the options. This saves you tons of time. Once you're done making changes, hit Save or Apply, and voila, your categories are updated. One quick tip. Regularly reviewing and updating your categories helps you get more accurate spending reports and budget insights. It's all about keeping your financial overview clear and actionable. If you run into any issues, Mint's help section has great resources, or you can reach out to their support. There you have it, folks. Updating categories in Mint is a breeze and can make a huge difference in your financial tracking. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy.